Oh man, can you just go fast through here? I'm riding this blind and I am flying. Yo, yeah. Yo. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Welcome to the Fernie Bike Park, one of Canada's original lift access playgrounds. Lift serving riders here dates back all the way back to 1990. So this place has been shaping downhill and progressing riders for more than 3 decades. This place is massive, with 39 trails from mellow greens to rowdy double blacks, with progression zones, jump lines, and flow for every level. Fernie is a must-see bike park destination. Today we are going to be ripping up the green trails, smooth berms, playful rollers, and perfect lines to dial in your flow and confidence. This is by no means a comprehensive list, just some of my favorite green trails here at the Fernie Bike Park. We're going to start it off here with a classic, Mr. Berms. Visible on your way up the elk chair, it is an iconic trail here at Fernie. Although rated a blue trail, it definitely falls into the green category in my books. With easy flow and no committing features, it is a great warm-up trail to start your day. It is also the main line here at Fernie, and it is the primary trail you will use to get to many of the other trails further down the mountain. So it should be #1 on your list to check out. Anyways, it's time for us to drop in. Yeah, this is, it's soft, but still fun. Just gonna take it fairly easy today. Phew! Cool chunk. Definitely need a supple bike. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, a couple rollers. Do a super soft berm. Big hole there. Yeah. Woo! Oh, the braking bumps. Oh man, oh man, sandy, yeah, some tack. Oh man, my hands are just already destroyed. Some wood. Next up, Duff Dynasty. Duff Dynasty is a single track flow trail with some chill jumps, fun rollers, super cool bridges, and a short section of rooty tech at the end. It's an awesome trail to get a little taste of everything. Let's drop in. Yeah, right on. John's ripping. Phew. Ooh, dusty turn. Not used to this length of downhill pulling on the brakes. Another dusty turn. They're so dusty. Oh my gosh. We're at like a sand pit. Look at this. Yeah. Another wood. Nice. Yeah. Whew. Hand pump's getting real. Whew. Hand pump. Oh, that was wicked. Some jank. Whew. That's fun through there, man. Once you figure out the lines, it's sick. We've got 2 greens left, and we're finishing strong. First up, Honeybee. Think of this as Fernie's welcome mat. No surprises, just buttery single track that lets you breathe, flow, and remember why you love riding. If you've never dropped into a bike park before, start here. Confidence boost included. 3, 2, 1, let's ride. I think I remember this area. We're in through here at some point. Woo! Some narrow trees. Some narrow trees. A little bit of sun. He's hot today, man. Sweating pretty good. Yeah, look at that. Opens up a little bit here. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, it's fast. Sharp turn though. Holy shit. Yeah. Ooh, some ferns. Oh yeah. Talk to flat. Another one. Oh, bottom bracket on that root. Yeah. We're rolling up on the last green of the day. Eville. Locals swear it's just a warm down, but I've caught them lapping it 3-4 times when they think no one's watching. First, the Rooty tech wakes you up. Then the trail drops into pure flow. Berms, rollers, poppy little jumps you can absolutely send. Gravity does the work, so she's super fast. You ready? Hold on tight. Let's go.
Let's go find Eville. Some tech. A couple small drops. Oh, a little soft there. Phew. You gotta catch up to John. He left and I didn't even know. Nice and flowy. This is sweet. Whew. Oh yeah, this is wicked. This is so fun. Nice and fast. Berms are big, but man, does this flow well. This is so fun. Yeah. Oh man, can you just go fast through here? I'm riding this blind and I am flying. That was so fun. Fast and flowy. Woo. Got a little loose in that turn. That's so fun. That is a sweet trail.
Eville just never gets old. Fast, smooth, zero arm pump, and those jumps feel bigger every lap. It'll have you grinning ear to ear. That's gonna wrap it up for the greens, but we're cranking it up this afternoon. Fernie Blues are next. Tech, flow, and everything in between. Subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. I'll see you at the top of the lift.